For real.
Put it right here, man. Put it right here.
Okay. Okay. For real. All right, come on, y'all. For real.
Why you trying to distract me so I won't figure? Oh, crap. I'm trying.
He gonna slide like slick wipe this water over me. What's up, guys? It's your girl Shyvonne, your favorite American over here.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Javon, man. Your favorite Jamaican, man. You know what I'm saying? AKA JV Frost, man. We are back with another
Video.
And as you guys see, we are back with something serious here. What's going on here?
A lot of H2O going on over
A
here,
lot of
baby.
water. And it's supposed to be a challenge, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's very
So the challenge
interesting.
is who can drink all this water in 5 minutes.
Okay.
No, I'm playing. That ain't the challenge.
Hold up now. Hold up now.
That's not the challenge, guys.
This is gonna be hard.
I feel like some water, like you can distinguish them from each other. Like some water have a different taste. Like some water feels, kind of tastes like, from the country, kind of. And some taste like it's been purified, like really purified. But I don't know. But I know I can like tell the difference between water.
Half of these water, I know I'm gonna fail.
Yeah,
Because half of this water I never drink in my life.
Yeah, I've tried this water. I think I've tried the smart water.
But guys, man, before we start the video, man, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, comment. Make sure you guys turn the notification bell on. Alright, without further ado, man, let's get into this video.
Let's get into the video. Straight into it. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we have taken all of the water off of the table, and we have our blindfold, which is my headband. Gotta, improvise. And we have a little cup of water. So we're gonna fill the glass, not all the way. We're just gonna fill it like, oh, not that nail. We're just gonna fill it like maybe just like a shot. We're gonna give a shot. So
which water should I do first, guys? Which water should I do first?
I'm kind of thirsty too, so come on.
Ooh, let's go. Let it go, let it go. We're gonna start out real easy.
You better stop drinking it.
Oh, man. Bring your hand. Bring your hand.
Okay. But this feel like more than a shot. What the heck? This feel like a whole gulp.
Oh, we was doing shot. Oh, my bad. Are you smelling it?
Yeah.
Water. Wait. You can smell water?
That's what they do with wine. I don't know, babe.
Man, this ain't no wine.
Okay. What is this? I feel like all that shit got taste like.
Well, that's a W. Spell out Javon in comments. AKA JV Frost. AKA you #1 Jamaican. Okay. Are you struggling, my guy?
It's either the Roxanne or I don't know. It's nasty. I don't know. Roxanne, final answer.
Roxanne?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you got it right.
I got it right?
Yeah, you got it right, yeah. It's Roxanne.
Really? You lying. Stop lying to me.
I swear that's Roxanne.
Yay! We sell it at work, guys. We sell that water at work.
What you waiting on?
I'm trying to pick the water. Baby. Calm your tits.
10 years later. 10 years later. Oh my God.
You ready, babe?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right.
Why is the cup still right here?
What? Look away.
I can't see. I'm trying to listen. Because you keep playing like, why ain't I pouring the water in the cup?
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about. You did it?
Nope. No, I'm playing here, babe. I poured it already.
I can't see, so you got that in my hand.
Huh?
You got that in my hand. Come on now. What you waiting on? Oh, my God, yo.
Okay. Here, babe.
No, give it to me in my hand.
Huh?
Give it to my hand.
Okay, here.
Come on, why you getting played, man? Come on, try. Come on.
Come on.
There ain't no water in this.
Yes, it is.
This water tastes hot. Tastes like it's been in the desert for years.
You play too much.
Yeah, man, I'll come on. Ushmove.
What?
And if you're thinking any other way, I dare it.
Any way of dirt?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, so your final answer is alkaline.
Yes.
Alrighty. Take your blindfold off. Welcome to the jungle.
Is this one?
Yeah.
I know it's gonna get that one. I said it.
You know what I did, babe, to stay
Yeah,
off?
you switched it with what's name. I know that's why I didn't say it.
I did like this.
I know that's why I didn't say that. You think you was slick because I was listening to it.
I know you was. I know you was. She was listening.
She thinks she's slick, but she thinks she's slick.
So,
all right.
Like real dark.
I'm gonna go with this one right here.
I hear you pulling it back.
What the hell?
Gotta follow the line. Alright. Oh, this one have a different smell. Smell it. Oh.
I smell it.
My bad. Alright, here we go.
Man, 10 more seconds, because you're going to take 10 years.
Okay, smart water.
10.
Smart water.
Because you already taking it forever. Like, those take a guess already.
Okay, smart water,
Smart water,
babe.
that's the final answer?
Y'all, he put the whole doggone bottle in here. Oh, this one does taste different, though. It's core. Alright, guys. So, this is the last final round. The score is 1-0. 1-0.
Man, this challenge is super hard.
Yes.
It is super hard, man.
I can't stand this fool. Alright, guys. Here we go. Okay, here we go.
What's that?
It ain't even done yet. I ain't
What are
done.
you waiting on? Come on now, man. You already poured in it. Why you trying to trick me?
I'm not, babe. I'm trying to give you a lot. Nah, that ain't enough. That ain't enough for babe. He need a lot of water. My baby needs a lot of water.
But why is you pouring and I'm pouring? What is you doing?
What you talking about?
Hey guys, let me know in the comments what you did, man. What is you doing? Where's the body at?
Oh, I got you.
Put it down. Lloyd, leave it alone.
Leave it alone.
My goodness.
Try that water.
Did you mix the water up?
No, why would I do that?
Did you mix the water up?
Why would I mix the water? Got him.
What did you do? What did you do?
Babe, try the water.
This ain't no water.
Hmm?
This got a way different taste than it.
What it tastes like? Let me know.
My eyes burning. That's the we got two of the same thing. It's the sparkly one. What's this called?
I don't know. Ow, boy.
Core. I know it's not core, but core. What the hell?
Woo! So he actually got the sparkling part right, and he got core right.
Oh, so I was right?
I mixed both of them.
I knew you mixed something. I wasn't stupid.
Okay, guys. So, thank you all for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment down below. Also, subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we post videos. So, go ahead and do that right now. Babe, say your part.
Team Javon in the comment section.
Whatever. No, Team Javon, I won.
Cut. We're gonna cut that part off. We're gonna cut that part off.
I won 1-0.
Alright guys, without being said, man, y'all guys have a good day, good night, good morning.